Your original hometown dealer, Saida, Trudeau Chrysler Jeep Dodge and Ram.
Christopher Hulderson entered a plea in justice court and will see jail time for his offenses. Detectives captured Hulderson after a foot pursuit on March 8th. Hulderson was suspected of committing numerous crimes in the area around Bourbon Street. On March 4th, Nye County Sheriff's Office responded to a report of a robbery. The victim reported that a man entered her house while she was home and stole her purse. Tips from the public suggested that the suspect was Hulderson, and the victim identified him from a photo lineup. At the time he was caught, Hulderson admitted to swallowing an undisclosed amount of pills and was transported to Desert View Hospital. Hulderson is expected to plead guilty to escape by a prisoner and battery on a peace officer. He is facing 6 to 16 years in prison and will be expected to pay restitution to his victims. Leah Straka had a recent appearance in justice court. Straka was arrested after detectives executed a search warrant at her residence on November 14, 2020. During the course of an investigation, it was discovered that Straka was sending photos and videos of children to an additional suspect located in Alabama for the purpose of having sexual fantasies together over the phone. Straka admitted to sending at least 15 pornographic images and videos. She is facing charges of promotion of a sexual performance of a minor, possession of child pornography, use of a minor in production of pornography or as a subject of sexual performance, and child abuse resulting in substantial mental harm. 10 counts in all. A preliminary hearing is set for Straka on June 9th at 9 a.m. And North Las Vegas firm Bigelow Aerospace has filed a $1 million lawsuit against NASA for breach of contract. Bigelow says that the company has completed work under a NASA contract, but the agency will not make payment unless the company provides extensive recorded raw test data. That was collected during tests between December 2019 and August of 2020. Bigelow has developed and tested an expandable space module for NASA called the BA-330. Robert Bigelow, company founder, said, quote, "I built the BA-330 with my own money. We signed a contract with NASA and we were to be paid $1.56 million total. We did what we agreed to do. We not only monitored the spacecraft for 6 months as specified in the agreement, we did it for 8 months," end quote. The lawsuit does acknowledge some issues with power surges and computer failures, but says overall, it was a success. That's it for your court report. I'm Missey Kohler.